Our body is like a high-performance machine, and just like any machine, it needs the right fuel to function at its best. That fuel comes in the form of nutrients. Nutrients are substances in the food we eat that our bodies need to grow, repair, and maintain health. Without them, even if we eat enough calories, our body cannot perform optimally. Today, we'll explore the essential nutrients for our health and why focusing on them can make a massive difference in your energy, immunity, and overall well-being. Let's start with proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. Every cell in your body contains protein, from your muscles to your organs. Proteins help repair tissues, build muscle, and produce important enzymes and hormones. If your diet is low in protein, your body struggles to recover from injuries, and your energy levels can drop. Sources of protein include eggs, lean meat, fish, beans, and nuts. By ensuring enough protein intake, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong and healthy. Next up is carbohydrates, often misunderstood. While many people try to avoid carbs, they are the primary source of energy for our body. Your brain, muscles, and nervous system all rely on carbohydrates to function. Complex carbohydrates, like oats, whole grains, and vegetables, provide steady energy throughout the day, while refined sugars should be limited. Focusing on the right type of carbs keeps your energy levels balanced and prevents the fatigue and mood swings that come with blood sugar spikes and crashes. Now let's talk about fats, another nutrient that often gets a bad reputation. Not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish, are crucial for brain health, hormone production, and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like D, E, and K. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, are known for reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and supporting cognitive function. Avoid trans fats and processed oils, but embrace healthy fats to maintain long-term health. Vitamins are micronutrients, meaning we need them in smaller amounts, but they're incredibly important. Each vitamin has a unique role. For example, vitamin C boosts immunity, vitamin D strengthens bones, vitamin A is crucial for vision, and B, vitamins help convert food into energy. Since our body cannot produce most vitamins, we must get them from food. Eating a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables ensures you cover most vitamins naturally. Supplementing can help, but real food is always the best source. Minerals are equally essential. Minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron support everything from bone health to nerve function. Calcium and magnesium, for instance, are necessary for strong bones and muscle function, while iron carries oxygen in the blood, preventing fatigue and weakness. Potassium regulates fluid balance and supports heart health. Deficiencies in minerals can lead to serious health issues, so paying attention to your mineral intake is non-negotiable. Water is often overlooked, but is one of the most critical nutrients. Our body is about 60% water, and nearly every function from digestion to circulation to temperature regulation depends on proper hydration. Drinking enough water improves energy, supports detoxification, and keeps your skin and organs functioning smoothly. Even mild dehydration can affect mood, concentration, and overall performance. Make it a habit to drink water throughout the day, and include hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables in your diet. Let's not forget fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health. It helps regulate bowel movements, reduces cholesterol levels, and supports healthy gut bacteria. Foods rich in fiber, like whole grains, beans, lentils, fruits, and vegetables, not only keep your digestive system happy, but also help you feel fuller for longer, which aids in weight management and blood sugar control. Antioxidants are another critical category of nutrients. These compounds protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can accelerate aging and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Antioxidant-rich foods include berries, dark leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. By including antioxidants in your diet, you are actively protecting your body against stress and disease. Probiotics and gut-friendly nutrients are becoming increasingly important. A healthy gut microbiome influences everything from digestion to immunity to even mood regulation. Yogurt, kefir, fermented vegetables, and supplements can improve gut health, enhance nutrient absorption, and strengthen immunity. Focusing on gut health is not just trendy, it's essential for long-term wellness. Finally, The reason we should focus on all these nutrients together is balance. No single nutrient works in isolation. Our body needs a combination of macronutrients, micronutrients, water, fiber, and antioxidants to function optimally. A nutrient-deficient diet may lead to fatigue, illness, or long-term chronic conditions, while a balanced, nutrient-rich diet boosts energy, immunity, mental clarity, and longevity. So, what's the takeaway? Eat a wide variety of whole foods ***, include proteins, complex carbs, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Stay hydrated, consume fiber-rich foods, include antioxidants and probiotics, and avoid processed nutrients. By making conscious choices about what you eat, you are investing in your health, energy, and life quality. Remember, your body is the only place you live in permanently, so treat it with the nutrients it deserves. Start today. Swap one processed meal for a nutrient-rich alternative. Drink an extra glass of water. Add a colorful vegetable to your plate. Small steps every day make a big difference. Focusing on nutrition isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling strong, energized, and ready to take on life.